This is a 2025 Adam Julite Warm Blood series. The warm blood refers to the side ramp on this trailer. That is what Adam calls their side ramp bumper pull model. So this is the 2025 Adam Julite Warm Blood. This model has been upgraded to be 8 foot tall. We've also upgraded the dressing room and escape door to be what they call Dalton doors. Those doors are made in-house at Adam Trailers instead of a standard camper style door. And we've added windows over the rear top curtains of this trailer. This is an all aluminum trailer, aluminum floor, aluminum skin, aluminum roof. It does have a treated wooden floor with rubber mats, 8 foot tall, 6'6" wide, and this trailer is 15 feet on the floor. In addition to the upgrades I already mentioned, we add 1 foot at the horse heads of this trailer because we want to make sure there's adequate room for horses to come out of that side ramp. It also allows a little more head and neck room for your larger horses. That goes along with the 8 foot tall. So again, 2025 Adam Julite Warm Blood with a side ramp. This trailer is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. As you can see, the skin on this trailer is white. Double check my specs online, but I believe the trailer weighs around 3,500 pounds empty and has two 3,500 pound axles, so it has a 7,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. Just double check that empty weight on my website. Without the side ramp and the extra foot, they're about 3,100 pounds, so it's just a smidge over that. Again, the trailer is white. We have this side ramp with a top curtain. We've added the window in that top curtain. That's not a standard feature there. The window between the horse area and the dressing room is standard. You've got 15-inch steel wheels and an ST225/75 R15 tire there. Spare tire is going to be mounted inside of the dressing room. We'll see that in a minute. Switches here for your load light and your interior lights. We've got padded breast and butt bars, padded removable divider, and a padded sidewall. Nice sliding hip windows. That window between the horse area and the dressing room. 2 pop-up roof vents. Nice, low, lightweight ramp. I can lift that with just one hand very, very easily. Super easy to operate. Again, top curtains with sliding windows, sliding window in our escape door, sliding window in our dressing room door. A full-length running board here. Obviously on the other side we have a side ramp, so we don't have that. But here on the side where we need to enter the dressing room and the escape door, we have that nice full-length running board. Dressing room gets a little snug with the slanting of the wall. When Adam does this Julite with the side ramp, they slant that dressing room wall to accommodate the side ramp. So it does snug our dressing room up just a little bit, but still roomy enough for 2 saddles, spare tire, bridle hooks, and probably a tack trunk over there. We go ahead and put rubber mats on the floor of that dressing room to make it a little neater and tidier in there versus the carpet. Again, the upgraded doors, these are what we call Dalton doors versus a camper style prefab door. 2025 Adam Julite Warm Blood. This is an 8 foot tall model. Today I have a 7'6" tall model as well. You can see back there. These trailers are available at trailercountryllc.com. This is a trailer that we try to keep here or on order at all times. Trailer Country LLC, Carrollton, Virginia. See our specs at trailercountryllc.com. We do have financing and delivery available.